All right, this is the table of contents of the last minute lectures. What we did is to uh, to cut up the lectures into small chunks so that you don't need to watch the entire video. You can probably choose which part you want to watch. Now the methodology is this: this video assumes that you are just refreshing your memory. You have studied your material already, just so relax. Now the idea, and my hope is I achieve it. The hope is that it's like you're like relaxing lang, you're cruising, and then we talk about some things, and then you remember, and you say, ah, yeah, I remember that. Ah, yeah, sure, yeah, I got that. So that's the assumption that we're doing. The discussions that we will make will lead you to the tricky parts, no? To what we feel are those commonly asked, or yung mga tricky areas that examiner may ask based on the topics. Hopefully, while we are doing that, we also unlock the necessary words which are already in your head, in your brain, in your heart, to demonstrate that you have a mastery of the subject. Now, good luck. No? Good luck. I'll show you the table of contents so that you can choose if you want to watch module 1 to maybe 11. Module 1 to 11. I'll explain it a bit. All right, this is the syllabus given by the Office of the Bar Chairman. Take note, there are 15 questions now that will come out for criminal law, 15 questions, and these are about 12 topics. So this is how we will do it. This is how we will discuss it. Topic 1, we'll talk about data privacy. All right, data privacy. We'll start from the bottom. We'll connect it with this principle of actus reus, mens rea. We'll talk about territoriality and generality. For topic 2, there's a separate video for this. We'll talk about Safe Spaces Act and aggravating circumstances. We'll talk about the principle of the suppletory application of criminal law. Alright, for topic 3, we'll talk about 7610, this one. We will connect that with the basic principles of mala insa and mala prohibita. Topic 4, we'll talk about 9262, violence against women and their children. We'll connect that to justifying and exempting circumstances. Topic 5, we'll talk about the effect of death on the accused. Topic 6, we'll talk about indeterminate sentence law. We connect that with mitigating aggravating circumstances. And we'll have to connect that to service of sentence. Wait a minute. Oh, there you go. Service of sentence. All right. Topic 10 and 11. This will be the last. We'll talk about crimes against property and crimes against public interest. All right. So that's it. Good luck.